guys, we are in my kitchen today making overnight banana chocolate oats. These are perfect if you're trying to get into meal prepping or if you just want to get breakfast on the table quicker. You make them once and breakfast is done for the rest of the week. So let's get started. I'm just starting with 2 bananas that I have just mashed up. You're welcome to add more bananas and more oats. Like we said, this is the easiest recipe to double. So I'm gonna just do 2 cups of oats, and then I have 1.5 cups of milk. And then my personal favorite part, I'm gonna add some of the mini chocolate chips. I love these because it's not an overwhelming amount of chocolate in every bite, but you're welcome to use the big ones if you want. Then I'm just gonna add in 1.5 cup of peanut butter, a little bit of cinnamon, and a dash of salt. We're gonna mix all of this together until everything is combined, and then we're gonna dish it into mason jars. You can use big mason jars, you can use small. These ones are the smallest mason jars that I could find, and it filled up 4 of them. So perfect for 4 servings. If you like a bigger serving, use the bigger ones, and I just layered bananas and chocolate chips. Then I'm going to refrigerate this overnight, seal the lid on, and they are ready for the morning. We hope you enjoy our overnight chocolate banana oats. Thank you for watching.